Talk about your crossroads for train tracks. North, south, east, west. Well, the train you saw earlier, there was a lot of fanfare over at the old station because this right here, the new Raleigh Union Station, its grand opening is tomorrow for Amtrak and the local trains. There's the new platform. And we'll just walk out from under here and across. Pretty nice, very nice station. Well, we're still at the station. They just took these flags out. They are going to put the American flag on, and we're here to see this. Probably the first ones to see this, besides the ones putting it up. Brand new American flag at the brand new Raleigh Union Station. And there we go. All right, now we're going to do the North Carolina state flag. Yes. They just unpackaged from its new packaging.
He's getting like the 2.5-day tour of Raleigh. It's still folded, isn't it? Oh, there it goes.
And there we go.
It's so little.
Nice.